Hi, it's Kozue. Here's today's nail design. It has a subtle touch of autumn. I've been really into polka dots lately, so I made another one today. I'm using Daiso's beige gel polish today. I think it's only available while stocks last. I think this design would look super cute in pink too. I always end up going over it again and again with the brush, just to make sure it's nice and even. I'm applying the second coat of Daiso's beige. Oh, by the way, this is the thumbnail. I forgot to mention that. I got this nail tip stand from CanDo just recently. I'm gonna stamp with allergies stamping nail plate. The light's a bit bright around here, sorry about that. I'm using a polish I got from the 100 yen shop. Lately, I've been using this dot pattern on my natural nails too. I'm stamping directly onto the tacky layer without wiping. Since I'm adding a nail sticker next, I'm applying a non-wipe top coat. I was going to paint a flower by hand, but it didn't go well, so I switched to a nail sticker instead. These nail stickers are from Shein. I bought them a few years ago. It looks like a hair might have trapped in at the factory. I don't really mind, but it's a bit annoying when the sticker I want is stuck to a hair. I was worried the dot pattern might show through, but it turned out fine. I pre-cut this flower sticker ahead of time. Any part of the sticker that sticks out from the nail is trimmed slightly inward like this. I'm pressing it down firmly because it's always sad when the sticker starts to peel off. I'm finishing with a non-wipe top coat. It's pretty shocking when a sticker starts lifting while you're applying this. The thumb is done, and it's so cute. I bet it would look adorable in pink too. I'm using the same beige from Daiso on all the other nails too. I tried painting with the stands still linked together. Not the best idea. I wouldn't recommend it. I applied 2 coats of beige gel. Now I'm using CanDo's Mug Art Gel Pearl Lilac on the pinky and the index finger. I wasn't sure if beige and pearl lilac would go together, but it actually turned out really pretty. If the brush strokes are bothering you, try letting the particles settle. Just be careful. Some magnetic gels contain particles that won't come back up once they've settled. I'm first letting the particles float across the whole nail, then I'll gather them into shape. The last nail tip was for the pinky. Now I'm using the index finger tip and doing the same design. This part was pretty tricky. I had a hard time getting it right and had to experiment a bit. I think that'll do. Time to cure it. I suddenly felt like adding some gold things, so I'm using base and top gel as a kind of glue. I'm finishing it off with a non-wipe top coat. I love how it catches the light. It has such a soft pearly glow. The index finger came out really nice as well. The pinky and index finger are done. Next, I'll stamp a dotted pattern onto the ring finger. I'm using the same Maniology plate I used for the thumb. And yep, I didn't clean it. Lazy mode. To prep for the nail stickers, I'm applying a non-wipe top coat. Now I'm applying that sticker, the one that had a hair stuck in it earlier. I'm pressing down the sticker very hard. Quickly brushing on non-wipe top coat to keep the sticker from lifting. Now I'm moving on to the middle finger for the next design. I'm using both the stamping plate and polish from Maniology. I really like Maniology's stamping polish. It's super pigmented and has a bit of thickness, so the stamp comes out nice and crisp on the nail. Beautiful. The stamp came out beautifully. I'm applying a non-wipe top coat and curing it, since I'll be adding a sticker on top. Yes, it's that sticker again. I hope it hasn't traumatized anyone. I think just one sticker on the middle finger gives a nice balance. Once I cure the non-wipe top coat, the nail art is all done. Okay, one set is ready. Now comes the ritual, placing them onto my own fingers. As you can see, my natural nail art also uses brown and yellow tones. And yes, there's a dot pattern on my natural nail art too. Take a look at the color of the middle fingertip compared to the ring finger. Doesn't the beige on the middle finger with the stripes look a bit deeper than the beige on the ring finger? Because of the brown stripes, the beige on the middle finger looks darker. It's just an optical illusion. It's the same kind of illusion you get with fruit nets, like the ones around oranges or okra. These white flowers against the dotted background are just so cute. I think they would look lovely even with larger flowers. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!